In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a microphone that isn't working or is blocked in Google Meet. Getting your microphone to function properly is essential, especially when you're trying to communicate effectively through video calls. Let's dive right in and explore a series of simple steps to resolve this issue. First, let's take a look at your browser permissions. This is often the hidden culprit behind microphone issues. Open your browser and head over to the settings section. From there, navigate down to the privacy and security settings. Here, you need to ensure that access to the microphone is allowed specifically for Google Meet. This step is crucial as sometimes applications might not have the required permissions to use your microphone. If adjusting your browser permissions doesn't seem to resolve the problem, check to see that your microphone is properly plugged in. Also ensure that the physical mute button, if your microphone has one, is not switched on. This might seem basic, but it's a common oversight. Next, let's make sure your microphone's volume level is set correctly. To do this, you'll need to open your system settings, click on Start, go to Settings, then System, and finally navigate to Sound. In the sound settings, you should focus on the Input section. Here, it's important to select your preferred microphone as the default device. If it's not selected, your computer might be trying to use another device instead. Once you've set your preferred microphone, take a look at the volume slider. Adjust it to a suitable level to ensure that your voice is captured clearly. You don't want it to be too low, making it difficult for others to hear you, or too high, causing distortion. Now let's move on to privacy settings to make sure there aren't any restrictions on microphone usage. Go back to settings and then find the privacy section. From there, locate microphone settings. Make sure the switch that says let apps access your microphone is turned on. Additionally, check specifically if Google Meet has permission to use your microphone. Doing this can solve any issues related to privacy restrictions blocking microphone access. Lastly, consider a few important checks. If you're using a headset, verify that it's connected properly and is functioning as expected. Occasionally, a simple reboot of your computer can resolve temporary glitches that are causing the microphone to malfunction. It's also wise to check whether you have the latest version of Google Meet installed, as updates can fix bugs and improve overall performance. By following these steps, you should be able to effectively troubleshoot and resolve any issues related to your microphone not working or being blocked in Google Meet. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your future calls.